Hey guys, so I've been spending a bit of time cleaning up so I can do some extra work around here. I'm hoping to do a lot more scenery based stuff, so that's something to look forward to. In the meanwhile, this is actually going to be focusing on a couple of models today. So I'd like to just show off some stuff that you might not have already known about, some models that are available on Thingiverse. And so we'll start off with the little Nazgul here that I made. So this Nazgul with the broken sword was originally designed by Imora B, and I've gone in and I've made it so you can actually print it. So the original model actually doesn't have, it's not solid, it's just got a hollow base and it's really thin. So I just made it accessible, and I also made multiple different poses. So go check that out if you're interested in some Ringwraith. I would like to redesign this from scratch, so that's most likely going to happen in the future. His sword broke because of how thin it was, but I've designed it so it won't break. My next model is this knight. And he was actually my first model that managed to be the correct scale to Warhammer, so he's got like the larger hands and larger feet and larger head. Originally I was designing him quite off scale, so yeah, this was my first model. I'm quite proud about him, so if you're interested in printing him off, he's definitely worth having just for fun. And as you can see here, this was a scale print. Like, I printed multiple different versions trying to get it perfect, and yeah, this was the end result. Now my next model, which is actually a request build, is a Skaven Acolyte or a Globadier, whichever one you want to make it. These are my painted versions. Excuse the dirty nails, been working with like a mud paint, and yeah. Anyway, so these models are all available on Thingiverse, and hopefully you can find some use for them. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment, and maybe share it with a friend who might be interested. I've also recently started up a Patreon page, and if you're interested in supporting me, head on over there and become a patron. Now over on Patreon, you'll get early access videos and behind the scenes stuff, and you'll also get access to some experimental models that I make, such as this guy right here, which was obviously based on this guy right here. Yeah, so you're more than welcome to head on over there and help me out. And don't forget to leave a request of what you might want made in the comments below. And I'll catch you around. Ciao.